It's a Japanese lollipop.
It's a Japanese. What flavor do you think it is? If you're looking at this picture, what flavor do you think that is?
Orange.
I think it's sheep flavored. Well, it has a sheep on it. Check it out, everybody. Today, we're gonna open up the Tony Hawk Edition Japan crate.
So it's really cool, and the really special thing about it is because it has a tech deck inside. Well, do you know what? I think Shondore's put a surprise in there.
Shondore's?
Shondore's met Tony Hawk, and he put a tech deck fidget.
Things are about to get spicy. Look at this. This is a special surprise. See that? That's Tony Hawk's logo. First, story about me and T-Hawk. This is Tony Hawk, this is me. We're buddies.
And we have this to open it up. A Swiss Army knife.
That's right, that's Milo's own Swiss Army knife.
And guess what a Swiss Army knife comes with? Scissors, knife, nail file, toothpick.
Toothpick?
And
really?
also tweezers.
The best part.
Gotta have tweezers. You never know when you got a splinter or you need to pick up really tiny little things.
This is the knife, guys. Take a good look at it.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Look at this!
I told you it had a tech deck fidget spinner.
It does! Check it out! And all these crazy snacks inside. I don't know, can you guys see that? Check that out. There's so much cool stuff in here.
Oh, this is a cool fidget spinner, guys. Whoa! It's really cool. Look, it has a Tony Hawk Edition cap, and it's all blue on the front, and it makes a really cool shape when it spins.
That's awesome. Can you guys see that? Tony Hawk fidget spinner.
Try spinning
it. Feels really nice too.
Try spinning it. Whoa.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Fidget spinner. Now it's part of my cool fidget spinner collection.
All right.
All right, so
what
let's...
should we start with?
Yeah, what should we start with?
I don't know.
Why don't you pick
Yeah,
one?
you pick.
All right, so Milo's picked this thing. I don't know what it is.
It's a Japanese lollipop.
It's a
basically.
Japanese... What flavor do you think it is? If you're looking at this picture, what flavor do you think that is?
Orange.
I think it's sheep flavored. Well, it has a sheep on it. I mean, obviously it's sheep flavored, right? Here, tell me if that tastes like sheep.
Is it good?
It's yummy.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's kind of vanilla-y.
You guys, it's sheep flavor.
No, wait, just stop it.
It tastes like one of those egg puff things that you
It
get.
does.
Yeah.
It tastes like an egg puff.
It tastes like an egg puff. I think that's what it is.
Nice.
That's pretty good.
I like it.
I like it.
What do you think?
Next up, this comes with fire iced coffee.
Yeah, we
So
can't.
Milo was hoping he could try this, but I don't think that you
It's
should
coffee.
be having an iced coffee. So Mommy and Daddy will be saving this for ourselves later.
Yeah, I don't think.
Can I taste it? I think we should pick this.
Okay, what is it? Oh, it's an ABC message cookie. This one's got some English
Oh, are
on
you
it.
sure it didn't say massage cookie?
Oh wait, you're right. It's an ABC massage cookie. You ready? I'm gonna have Milo try all these things first,
Yeah, right.
in case they're not good. Oh, these smell good. Ooh, they smell really good.
It smells really good.
Yeah. I'm gonna try. I'm really in the mood for a letter O. I'm super in the mood for the letter O.
Okay.
It's really good.
It's like
I think I'm gonna try this one.
animal cracker.
Good.
It tastes all the same. It tastes all the same.
Okay, this is interesting. It says something up here with the fireball, so I don't know if it's gonna be spicy. I don't know what those words say. It mean like so spicy that you're gonna cry.
Is it spicy?
No,
Yeah, they're not spicy.
not spicy, huh?
Good.
Oh, good. Onion balls.
That sounds good.
Look at that.
I'm gonna
Did you
try
guys
them.
see the onion head guys on there?
Yeah.
It must be like onion balls, right?
Yeah. They taste kind of garlicky.
Oh, I'm down with these.
I knew you would be.
Oh yeah. This is my favorite thing in the box so far. It tastes like that Japanese
it's
curry
kinda
with the
my
potatoes.
favorite.
Oh, it does. You're right.
It's kind of my favorite in the box too.
Holy cow. These are the bomb. I want these like every day. Nom 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 nom. Nom, nom.
Whoa.
Hey.
Whoa.
She was asking for you to give her one. You're like, heart chipples. Them steak flavored heart chipples.
Steak flavor. Please don't be steak flavor. I mean steak flavor.
It tastes like beef.
What?
Yeah. I like them heart chipples.
Yeah.
You like them heart chipples?
They're spicy at first, but they're okay once you get used to them.
Okay, there's all.
I want to try this.
Okay, this is mommy's pick. All right, so this looks great. I love the packaging on here. I don't know exactly what it is, but I can kind of guess. What do you
It
think?
looks like it tastes like a pina colada.
Okay, pina colada. What is it, like cereal stars or something?
I don't know.
They look like breakfast cereal stars.
It tastes kind of like stale cereal.
Or stale cereal. Yeah.
No.
Big giant. Well, they're good though.
It was pretty good though.
Yeah.
Oh, I got lucky one. It's crunchy.
Oh, good. It's small, but it's cute, and it's called the Fujiya Home Pie. I'm gonna spin this while you guys are chewing.
Okay.
All right.
Spin
I think
break over.
let's try this.
Yeah.
I have no idea what this is. It's really crazy looking package. There's like a really wild looking person with a watermelon in their hands.
Dude, wait.
And a bear.
Wait.
And a bear. I don't know.
Dude. He's like a weird guy from Yokai Watch.
It's very light.
Yeah.
It's like it almost would like float away.
It smells really interesting.
It's pretty good.
It
It's-
tastes like corn.
It tastes like corn. It's
Yeah.
like a corn. Yeah, it's corn flavored. Right, so this is nice. Comes in a box with a lot of Japanese writing, but it says Ginza Rusk. There we go. Would you like a Russian tea cake?
Sure.
Would you like a Russian tea cake?
Sure.
Yeah, I don't know. It's like
All the holes are filled with butter.
butter. It's like
I
eating.
think it's really good.
Well, we'll have plenty of leftovers of that one. Piccola. Those are just plain good, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just a mango
Mango fruity
fruity cookie.
thing.
Hey everybody, the Japan crate was super fun and awesome. We would totally get this again. We love the Tony Hawk edition. We love the fidget spinner that it came with. And since it's the Tony Hawk edition, we should go skateboarding, huh?
I think we gotta go skateboarding!
Thrasher montage. Go!
Hey everybody, like and subscribe for more videos. Press that little bell button because if you press that little bell button, we will turn on all the notifications. Bye!
Here, Milo, here's your lollipop.